Hi, welcome to this preview video. We're working on the next release for April, and this is ArcoLinuxB Xfce. So we have the B, and you choose for a particular desktop. That's the point of the ArcoLinuxB, guys, right? You have made your decision. I say it's gonna be awesome Xfce, but you can have 15 desktops. Done my updates and done my up all, and I've installed Simple Screen Recorder. So it's a really minimal bare ISO. The ArcoLinuxBs at this point in time are minimal, and that's what I just wanted to quickly show. As you see, there's lots. Normally it's this size, so we can make it bigger since there's not so much installed. ArcoLinux welcome app and the tweak tool are on all our ArcoLinuxBs. That's important. Firefox is there as well, because otherwise you can't check out this, for instance. If you want to look out, click on this button on the live DVD. Well, it won't work, and it will not work on the ArcoLinuxD ISO. The D is a very bare minimal one. That's where you build everything up. This is straight out of the box a beautiful desktop. That's the B, and of course ArcoLinux ISO. So I'm just going over the stuff that's in here. The most of the stuff is just Xfce things, but there's also the conky. So we can install conkeys out of the box. We can have the tweak tool. This is all Xfce, nothing to do with us. We decide to put Quantum Manager on there because sometimes these applications do not follow the theme, and we decide you get the Arc Dark theme. And that's not from us either. So Ristretto is Xfce to watch the image, and Firefox, well, we need to, well, like I said, we need Firefox. And Simple Screen Recorder is extra. I just installed it, so it's not on the ISO. There is nothing there for Office, so you choose on Calamares what kind of Office you have. I think we have around 10 options or something like that, so you choose whatever you like. And these, again, most of them are Xfce stuff, right? So there's GNOME disks that we like and like to use. Dconf editor is there. The fix hard-coded icons is from us. Gported because, well, you need it on the ISO and you need it afterwards maybe as well. Grub customizer is very handy if you have dual boots, things like that. Those are all on there, but it's more kind of support kind of thing. Kind of, you need that particular thing, and this is also needed if you want to tell people, hey, I have this kind of this kind of kernel or boot or language, or anyway, all the information, technical stuff is in here. So it's a graphical thing for the Xfce, which is, by the way, here. So Xfce is still working, this is still working, all these buttons are working out of the box, but I was looking for my Xfce. So quick system info, so that thing is the same thing as the other one, but it's the graphical version of it. So there you go. You'll have a beautiful system after installation. It's going to be very minimal, as you see. You don't look at these guys, but look at Office, multimedia. So that's what's extra. Internet, just Firefox, graphics, nothing really. It's something from Xfce, and some USB burners, of course, because we need them from time to time. Stuff like that. But basically, it's a very minimal ISO, and during the installation, you can install more, or you go to your PAMAC software update. Take a look at everything that's there. Yeah, you know what to do with this thing. There's the video about it. We need to downgrade some particular package, and that's that. But basically you go through it and then you decide whatever you want to install. But easier, of course, is to already make your decisions on Calamares. But you need to have a working internet connection at that point in time. So quick overview. This is ArcoLinuxB Xfce, a minimal one. All our ArcoLinuxBs, guys, will be that minimal and will have the same or similar software available. All right, have fun.